In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text size for each app on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit and tap on Control Center. Now here all you have to do is add text size feature right here at included controls. If it's already here, you can just skip that step, but if you can find it right there, all you have to do is tap at that plus sign next to this feature and it moves it right here. So now you can open up Control Center and here it is. So now let me show you how it works. I can open up any app, let it be Notes, and there I can swipe down from the top right corner and then tap at this feature. Now there first I have to select where I want to change text size, Notes only or all apps. You can switch it to all apps or keep it Notes only. Now text set to 100%, that's default text size, and you can drag it to drag it up or drag it down to increase or reduce text size. So I left text size like that and see how it changes. That's pretty nice. And now I can open up any other app, let it be Settings, and now as you can see text doesn't change, so I can open up this feature again and change text size for that specific app. So now you see how it looks like now, but Notes app keeps its own text size. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.